Everybody is looking for the perfect pet bird, and budgies might just be the answer. Let's find out why. Budgerigars or budgies are small, colourful parrots that come from Australia. These little guys are not only adorable but also super smart. Did you know they can learn to mimic human speech? That's right, your budgie might just start talking back to you. Budgies are also social butterflies. They love company, whether it's from another budgie buddy or their human friends. And guess what? They come in various colours, from green and yellow to blue and white. Taking care of a budgie is pretty easy too. All they need is a cosy cage, fresh food, clean water, and a few toys to keep them entertained. Plus, they can live up to 15 years with good care. So, if you're looking for a fun, friendly and fabulous pet, a budgie might just be your perfect feathered friend. Thanks for watching and happy bird keeping.